Hey everybody, this is Red Sonja. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to check out the Black & Decker Air Fry Crisp and Bake. It's a toaster oven with everything included. And it looks great, so let's get to it. Not sure how much this goes for. This was actually a birthday present, which I'm very excited about. I'm sure you can get them anywhere. Okay, it's gonna fight with me, so let me get this out and we'll take another look. Okay, we got it out of the box. Let's see what we've got. Some little add-ons, that's nice. Okay, lots of tape, holding everything shut. Lots of tape, actually. Now I see some styrofoam inside. You don't want to be cooking with that. Okay. Very lightweight. Let's see what we have here. Instruction book, air fryer recipes, air fryer basket, excellent. Okay, I'm going to get this set up and then do a little test and see how it turns out. I have high hopes. Be right back. Okay, everybody, we've got it all set up. Looks nice. Hope you don't mind my, not stellar kitchen. So let's turn it on and see what it does. It says if you want to use it for air fry to warm it up a little bit, because it might smell from whatever they coat it with when they make it. So let's turn it on and see what happens. So it does have a fan, which is nice. Makes some noise, but it's not too noisy. So I'm going to let that warm up a little bit and then throw in some food and see how it comes out. Okay, so we've got the oven on. I have some fish and hash browns. Looks good. There was a little bit of smoking, a little bit of smell, but that burned off with the, I let it sit for like 5 minutes running just to burn everything off. So we'll see how it comes out. So here we have it. Well, let's see how it tastes. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay. So let's chow this down and I'll give you a wrap up. Okay, so final thoughts on the Black & Decker. What is it? Crisp Bake Air Fry 4-slice toaster oven. This thing is a champ. I was looking at prices. They range anywhere from $49 to $89 online. You can get them at Walmart or Kohl's or most of the places. It does come with a very nice air fryer recipe book. What we got? Chimichangas, mini pizzas. So some great food in here. And a good price, and it seems very solid. Looks like it'll last a while. So overall, I think it's a good deal. And I hope you enjoyed my video for today. If you did, please like and subscribe. And I'll be coming at you with something new, hopefully soon. Have a good night.